Bhargavi says, hi Bhargavi, I really don't know from which part of the country you are, it's not on the screen, but I can see you have come through Facebook. Your question says, the SLS AMG and the SLK are just off the hook. Superb designs by Mercedes-Benz. Thank you. Are we going to see some more extreme stylish designs in the near future? Yeah. Yes, Bhargavi, thank you. Thank you for that appreciation for the SLS AMG, the fastest car on the Indian roads, the car which has done, I think, many hits turned in the Formula 1 track. I'm sure you have seen that in the Formula 1 circuit. Is the safety car of the Formula 1 game. You see it every Sunday when you open your switch on your TV. Yeah. After the SLS AMG and the SLK, which you saw, the Magic Sky, I'm sure you must have seen the Magic Sky in the SLK. We have many more stylish vehicles to come. Let's talk about a few. Well, the new SL is a mind-boggling car. If you see the design language, the philosophy, the styling, the sports arena, what the new SL is talking about is absolutely going to be a stunning show. If you look at the E-Cabriolet, which we brought in last year, and maybe we'll see a new E-Cabriolet next 1 or 2 years time, it also talks about a very, very similar design language. The one which is just now, if you go to our showrooms, you'll be seeing something, the SLS Roadster. Because the SLS AMG was launched 2 years back and it did some fantastic performance in India. I'm sure you must be knowing that when we launched the car in India in the Auto Expo 2010, honestly speaking, we were not so optimistic that we will have customers in India. The car after all cost 33 crore. But we were so excited when in the first year of the car itself, we had almost 25 plus bookings and people who are willing to wait for 9 to 10 months. Of course, this car doesn't come off the shelf. You have to order a car and you have to get the car. But SLS AMG became, I think, an icon in Indian market, and so it did across the globe. So if you now come, the latest icon is the SLS Roadster. I have already spoken about the Cabriolet. If you really want to not pinch so much in your pocket and yet want to go for the stylish cars, I can of course suggest you the C63 AMG. If you see it in our showrooms today, it's there for a drive. You need not have to buy it. It's a 6.3 liter a car with a lot of horsepower packed into it. That's going to be a complete different game altogether. And of course, I think I reserve my energy for the next questions where we talk about a lot on our new generation compact cars, but that will come later. So that's it for you, Bhargavi. Thank you for your question. Thank you for the appreciation. And definitely, Mercedes-Benz is all about style. And if we do not make stylish cars, we really don't go home. And you can be rest assured we'll keep up to our promises for the next years to come.